Hello friends, I'm Dr. Ashwini Tature. Today with you having an interesting topic and that is enhancing personality. I know that you are well aware about the personality development. You know very well what is personality and why do we need an effective personality. So I don't want to waste your valuable time in all this stuff. Today, I would like to discuss something beneficiary to enhance your personality. What do you think? What actually influences your personality? Actually, there are many factors which form our personality. But let us start with our way of thinking, and that is our mindset. Mindset means a person's way of thinking and interpreting the things. Human beings develop habits by previous experiences. This habitual or characteristic mental attitude determines one's mindset. Which mindset do we require to be an effective and successful person? Actually, different types of mindsets people have, such as the social mindset, the growth mindset, the fear mindset, the lazy mindset, the envy mindset, the business mindset, the dreamer mindset, the follower mindset, the greed mindset, the gratitude mindset, the confident mindset, the creative mindset, the short term mindset, the angry mindset, the productive mindset, etc. According to Brian Tracy, the most valuable and important thing you do is to think. The quality of your thinking, especially about time, determines the quality of your life. When you take time to think before you react or respond, you will always make better decisions and get better results. There are almost 10 different ways of thinking: winner thinking versus loser thinking, short thinking versus fast thinking, informed thinking versus uninformed thinking, result oriented thinking versus activity oriented thinking, positive thinking versus negative thinking, flexible thinking versus rigid thinking, creative thinking versus mechanical thinking, entrepreneur thinking versus corporate thinking, and of course, rich thinking versus poor thinking. Let us focus today on some of these mindsets. First of all, learning mindset. If you want to be in the 20% of successful people, then you have to be a lifelong learner. Real education is a lifelong learning. Try to expand your horizon of understanding by constant learning. Keep in mind that learning gives you earning. Without learning, don't even expect earning. Learning new things constantly gives you tremendous benefit. I believe that learning keeps us alive. It gives us energy. So never forget to learn. Learn any new skill, new topic, or whatever you like. But who has enough time to learn new things? Nobody. Even I don't have that much time. But I try to convert my time killers into time creators. How can we do this? Let me give an example. Do you know driving kills your time? But this killer can be converted into a creator. While driving, you may listen podcasts, audiobooks, lectures, or any informative stuff. So, one can use traveling time, gardening time, even cooking time to learn something new. This will help you to train your mind to think in an effective way. So, never forget that your thought is your ornament. So, choose your ornaments wisely. The second is the growth mindset. Start your journey towards excellence by focusing on your strengths and possessing good qualities of high degree. Focus on your inner core in order to pursue excellence. Focus on your mindset even. Instead of having poverty mindset, try to build up mindset of abundance. Do you know whatever happens around us is attracted by we. I remember most famous book by Napoleon Hill entitled as Think and Grow Rich. Just by the power of thinking, you can achieve too many things. If you have this growth mindset, nothing can stop you from being successful, because growth mindset person welcomes challenges, embraces changes, looks for opportunities, looks good in every situation, thinks that everything is possible, loves to explore new things, learns from failures, works hard to achieve skills, and keeps learning till the last breath of his life. According to Abraham Maslow, in any given moment, we have two options: to step forward into growth or to step back into safety. Growth must be chosen again and again. Fear must be overcome again and again. So check your mindset. Which type of mindset do we have? Is it growth mindset or fixed mindset? The third one is the positive mindset. Positive mental attitude attracts opportunities for success. You know very well, to be successful, we need to develop positive mindset. We have to make it habitual to see good in everything. You are also aware that attitude has power to make your life or break your life. So choose your attitude wisely. Visualize yourself becoming the positive person you want to be. Derive new strength, new calmness, and new personality. Jeff Keller's book, Attitude is Everything, guides us to build a strong positive personality by building a positive attitude, by thinking positive and speaking positive. Having like-minded positive people around and acting in the direction of your goal. The fourth one is the time mindset. Instead of having money mindset, try to cultivate time mindset. Your time is your life. Many people talk about time management, but managing time is not just issue related to time. When we manage time, it actually manages our life. So look at time as your life. Unfortunately, majority of us have money mindset. A well-known motivational speaker, Shiv Khera, gives example of 10,000 rupees. If anybody gives you 10,000 rupees and asks you to use that money, what will you do? You will try to use or invest that money, forgetting value of your time. When we count last breath of our life, maybe we have tremendous money, but that money cannot purchase few hours for you. Your hours can give you money, but remember, money cannot give you hours. What is most surprising about man is that he sacrifices his health in order to make money, and then he sacrifices his money to recuperate his health. In this struggle, man loses his happiness. He always works for better tomorrow. But when better tomorrow comes, instead of enjoying it, he again works for better tomorrow, and in this way, he loses his today. So I would like to suggest you never miss a day. Once you missed it, it will never return to you at any cost. Today is the best day of your life. So never delay. You may delay, but time will not, and lost time is never found again. Even Saint Kabir told us importance of time, saying that kal kare so aaj kare so ab. All these mindsets require strong inner desire. Today, we are caught in a situation where desire is fading away speedily. In such a situation, all discussed viewpoints and mentioned books will provide a twilight to contemplate on your personality, and thereby realization of new dimensions of personality will dawn upon you. So start your day keeping all these things in your mind. These things will help you to complete your journey from person to personality. With these words, let me stop here. Please stay tuned for further informative and helpful videos. Thank you.